Hello viewers, welcome to the today's class. In this class, this is a special class for one of my student. He has asked me to make a 3D object. Okay, there's one drawing of a mechanical bracket object that we need to draw a 3D and also to generate various views from that single 3D object. Okay, so what is the object that we are going to draw? It's this one. This is the one that we need to do, and I will do it in a very simple ways, and I will explain it in a very easy and simple manner. So stay tuned with me. For this one, I will start a drawing right from the beginning, from the scratch. So this one, I will keep the same template open. First thing, when you are starting a 3D modeling of an object, you should know which view will be an easy or a suitable one to model a 3D object. Okay, so for this one, I can see that we can use a front view, which is relatively simple to extrude everything from it. So what I will do, I will just take the dimensions from here and draw this one as the first thing that you must be careful with is to draw a view properly with the proper dimensions. I will use 134 by, I will just add up these things. I will keep this one later on. It's 46 by 134. The first thing will be a rectangle. So as it is a front view, I will change the view style to front. Okay, then I will draw a rectangle shape of 134 by, it was 46. So as I have drawn a rectangle, I'll go back to that one. This is 35, this is 9, this is 46, 9 and 35 same. And these are 18, 12 and 16. Okay. Okay. So this is our front view already created. Some of the radius chamfer that we will work in a 3D. So I will just switch it to this direction and I will simple use the press pull tool. Press pull command I will press, and this one is 30. This one also is 30, or and this one is 50. So I will change it to conceptual, and you come to conceptual, you can see it's already done. Next thing I will do, I will just union the all these three objects. I select this, I select this, okay, select this again, and we are done. So this is a single union. I will remove the lines from here and I will just make a copy of them on their side. Okay. So this, as you can see, it's already almost completed. So for this one, as you can see, we have chamfers here, a radius here, a radius, a fillet here, a fillet there, and a fillet on the bottom as well. So for the first thing I will do is I will generate these fillets beforehand. I generate the fillet. Fillets are all as it said, as it was mentioned, it is 3 mm the fillet. Okay, I'll come here. So now we will do fillet and chamfer. beforehand everything to all the edges that are required to be fillet or chamfer. We'll start with the fillet. Okay, you will just type in the fillet edge command. When you type, you will be asked these three options. So I will check the radius. If it is 3, it is 3. So I will hit enter. And the next thing I will do, I will select these edges first. Okay, then I will go through everything else. Okay, I select this, I will select this and the other side as well. I'll select this, I'll go to the bottom. I'll select this and I'll select this one as well. And I will just go ahead and make a fillet of these edges also, because these are also fillet. When I'm done with these, I'll just simply press enter twice. I press enter twice, see the edges are already created. So the next thing is that I have to fill it here also. So I will press fillet edge again and select these edges and this one, and I will press enter. I press enter twice, it will be filleted. I come here, I have to fillet these as well. I will select the edge. I'll press twice the enter key. So the fillet is already created for all the edges that are required. Now the next thing is to do the chamfer edge. For chamfer edge, you need to type chamfer edge command, and I will check the distance to make it 3 by 3. If it's a 45-degree 3 by 3 chamfer, I select these edges to make them chamfer, as well as on this side. It means you need to finish first the one side. I'll press enter, it's chamfered already. I'll do it the same on this one. I'll press enter and chamfer this. It's done. So the next fillet is on these sides. Okay, viewers, all this side I need to fill it. No, sorry, chamfer. I select this edge and select this one, this one, this one. It's not working first time, so I just go back to the command. So I see there is a problem when you try to do it all together, it gives you a curve, bent, a failure for the chamfer. So what I will do now is I will just start with the straight chamfer and the arc or curved chamfer. Okay, I will do straight chamfer, curved chamfer, straight chamfer, curved chamfer, and then I will do the remaining part of it. I will start a chamfer command, chamfer edge command. I will select the edge. Just make sure that the chamfer is of the same requirement. I'll select D, I'll press 3 and it's 3, it's correct. So I will select this one, select this one. I cannot do a separate one, so I will first finish this one, then I will do that one. I'll press enter twice. I'll select this one and then I'll select this one. I'll press enter twice. Now you see if I try to do this, it will work perfect. I'll press enter twice. Same will go for the another view. I will press select this and this curved, press enter twice, select this and this curved, press enter twice, and then the selection of remaining part. Okay, so this is just completed. We have one on the bottom. So for the bottom one, I'll select this one and this one. No, I will wait for this one. I'll just select this beforehand and this one before. Sorry again, and I'll just rotate the view. I'll select these edges and this edge. I'll press enter twice. I'll now select this line, this curve, and this line and press enter twice. Same goes for the other side. I'll select this, and select this. You can rotate the orbit. You can use the orbit by just pressing and holding the shift key and zoom out or pan the what is it called, the wheel of the mouse. I'll press enter twice. I just go back and I believe our chamfers are already done, Yes, they are already finished. The chamfer and the ortho, the fillets. I zoom the real time. I'll go back to PDF and see I have this curved shape that has to go through all this and cut through, and also this hole in the bracket that needs to be marked on this radius. So just confirm that all dimensions are marked for the top view. 134 by 50. I'll just mark 35 on each side for the start and end point of the curve, and then I will use the radius. And also on this side it's 14 center of the radius. I'll come back to the view. I'll select top view. I'll make it this one. So when I do this, as you see, it's down there. So I just need to do one thing. Select it, use this as a center point, and paste it on this point. Now they're already here. I'll press pull. I use a press pull tool and go through all this. Same will go for this hole, but it will not go through all the object. It will only go through this part. I'll use the subtract command and I'll select this 3D and subtract this one from the main 3D. I'll press enter. Now I'll delete the reference points that are no longer required. So viewers, this shape is already created. In this video, we learned how you can create or how you can model a 3D object. In the next video, we will learn how to set up a page and convert a drawing to PDF format, and also we will learn how you can use this single 3D object and create different views automatically and how to scale those views in a single page. See you in the next class. Till then, goodbye.